Okay, so here we are. I am going to show you something super fun and, again, really easy to make. This will probably be another really quick video because I like showing you guys quick, easy things you have in your house, all that stuff, and recipes and, all of that stuff. But this is going to be like a quick DIY air freshener. So before we get started, thank you for tuning in. And you're probably like, why am I holding a spoon? Because it's part of this. But thank you for tuning in, and just make sure you like and subscribe and let us know if you make it. Leave us questions. We're here to answer. This lighting in here is not great. I'm sorry about that. But let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember, but in one of our older videos, Alex and I spray painted these. We added the rope, and we went to the beach with the kids and picked out shells and made the lids. These are just plain old mason jars. We talked about how saving jars is a great way to do a lot of things, okay? So this is one thing you can do. So get one of your jars. I'm gonna use this one because it's pretty and we made it. And these I found at the dollar store, and they fit any mason jar, okay? So all you need to do, most people have this in their house. I have almost a cup, I guess it's a quarter of a cup, I don't know. Almost a cup of baking soda here. So I'm just gonna spoon it into the jar. I'll hold it up here so I can show you. I need to get like a table or something so you guys can see. I'm just always in here in my room and bathroom hiding so my kids don't come barging in. Okay, so basically you don't have to measure it out. You just want to fill it up like part way. You don't want it all the way to the top, but halfway, most of the way, just part way. And I'm gonna finish up this little bit here. Okay, so it's a little less than halfway. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna pick your favorite scents, whatever. I'm gonna make a fun little mixture of lavender and peppermint. And you wanna do like a good amount. I'd say 20 to, depending on how much you want it to smell, 20 to 40 drops, I'd say. But since I'm splitting it between two, so you really just wanna 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I'm gonna add the peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I'm almost out, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. Okay, and that is really all you need to do. I know it's super simple, but it works. It smells fantastic and it looks pretty. Okay, so you put these lids on. You can change it out for your new smells, and just, like I said, you can decorate one of your jars to whatever theme your house is, and it's a nice, pretty way to make it smell good. And you know what's in it, okay? It's not some huge chemical crazy ridden, air freshener that you bought at the store. I'm not 100% sure that baking soda is like the greatest thing, but all it is baking soda and essential oil. And we know essential oil is safe, and I know we use a ton of essential oils, at least I do. I feel like almost every video they're involved. But leave it sitting out, switch it out, add more if you want it to smell stronger. But this, it smells so amazing. So please try this. Let me know. Like I said, I found these at the dollar store. If you don't have, if you're not able to find these, they make like a metal, almost like a tile with like open slats. People put them on the ceiling, or they put them as backsplash, whatever it is. You can cut it to be the shape and then just use that. But this was a really easy, inexpensive way to get a lid, and you have an air freshener. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We have so much more coming, okay? So thank you. Bye.